Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubble videos on WhatsApp. First, ensure your WhatsApp application is updated to the latest version for full functionality. This feature allows you to send quick, 60-second video messages directly within your chat conversations. It's a fantastic way to add a personal touch, sharing moments or quick thoughts with friends and family. We'll walk through the process step by step, making it easy for everyone to use. To begin, open any chat on WhatsApp where you wish to send a video message. Look for the microphone icon located in the bottom right corner of your chat input field. A single tap on this icon will transform it into a video camera symbol. This change confirms that you are now in video message mode, ready to record your bubble video. It's a quick and intuitive switch, designed for ease of use. Once in video mode, press and hold the video camera icon to start recording your message. You'll see a brief countdown of 3 seconds before the recording officially begins. Keep holding the icon for the duration of your message, up to 60 seconds. Releasing your finger will automatically send the video. For hands-free recording, simply swipe up while holding the icon, and it will lock into recording mode. For the best experience, aim to keep your video messages concise, ideally under 15 seconds. This helps maintain engagement and ensures your message is quickly absorbed. Always try to record in good lighting conditions and speak clearly to ensure excellent audio quality. Remember, if you use the hands-free recording option, you'll have a chance to review your video before sending it. This feature is perfect for quick updates or personalized greetings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.